When you think of salad, it doesn't need to just be limited to lettuce or leafy greens. I'm turning carrots. That's just a fancy way of saying an even 7-sided football for consistent cooking. I used to have this chef that was so intense. He was so serious about his knife cuts and never satisfied with my turning skills. So I went home, I bought an entire bag of family-sized carrots, sat on my bed, learned how to turn. And you know what? It turned out okay. This is a hearty fall roasted vegetable salad. One of my favorites is butternut squash. The sweetness of the squash and cutting them into even large cubes are gonna give us perfect caramelization right around those corners. It smells like fall. I love using butternut squash. You can roast them like this. You can make them into soup. They're just so versatile. Thanks so much, Eva. Now check out this gnarly vegetable. It's a celery root. It grows underground and the celery grows on top. But there's actually way more flavor in the celery's root. I'm cutting bâtonnets, thick rectangular shapes looking like a French fry for even cooking and consistency. Remember when I said this is a roasted vegetable salad? We're all about building layers of flavor. Grapeseed oil, great for roasting and neutral in flavor. These are perfect as a side dish on their own, or I'm gonna let these cool and I'm gonna make a meal out of it. Mustard's gonna act like my emulsifier. Emulsion just means binding a fat and an acid and making sure they come together. Just like that. You can use peanuts or grapes or anything you have at home. I got pecans, cranberries, and of course some chives to finish.